Yes, I'm just looking at them. Where'd you go hide your bone at? I just woke everybody up because we changed out to our new patty. So everybody's fussing. Yeah, everybody's fussing. But guess what, guys? Everybody's eyes are open. Yeah. You guys didn't want to be woke up? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How rude of me, huh? Okay, I'll leave him alone now. Good morning, everyone. Mama Oneida's getting a special chew bone this morning while these babies relax. Yes. As you can see, we have fat, chubby little babies, and they're all doing really well. And Oneida is taking such good care of them. It's becoming more obvious to us that she has experienced probably a bit of a rough past. She's extremely protective over the puppies. She'll let me touch them, no problem. But you definitely have to build some trust with her first. It's really hard to tell how many litters she's already had. This is definitely not her first. But this will be her last. Mama's gonna get a break and then someday have a special home of her own, huh? Very own family.